Slime Bear. So we already opened it. We got it yesterday. So it's we're gonna be so we're gonna tell you guys the colors. So mine comes with green. Blue. It's really blue, like a baby blue. And then a darker blue. And then it comes with little balls like this. Mine comes with little balls, but I dropped some of them, so it's fine. And then are you gonna tell them your colors? This is darkish brown, and this is light purple, dark blue. And then this came from a paletero, and we got this yesterday. So this was our first channel. We never done. Okay. So now, what should we do?
I'm whispering something to her. All those whispers are from me.
We should do a special channel that's named Annie Ninja. Oh. So it's stretchy. So but it's extra breakable, and if you slide out, it just goes like that. Goes like this. So this is our first baby blue, it's so cute. And then, so I have these colors, so these are my two colors. And then, so we're just, my hand is gonna get stuck in 1 minute. So I'm gonna put some of these balls, these decorations. So, yeah, I'm just gonna put some decorations and then put these special. So make sure not to eat slime. It can get you sick. So do not eat this. This is not eatable. Please. It's not food. It's not food. So it's oily from the bottom if you don't really use it. Yeah, you don't really use it. Use it where your cheeks. So it's this one's like pudding. So they're all different. They're all the same. Yeah, but they're not different colors. They're all different. Or they're all different colors. Yeah, they're not really the same. This one was mixed together, and this is light purple. So I didn't mix this one. So this is all the color. And then now we're just going to not mix them. So this video
kids not eat it. It's not food.
It's not food.
And for those of you that are little,
When you are
make
little,
sure
to like and
make sure
subscribe.
to never eat it.
Never eat it.
And so I recommend this for other people that don't really like slime.
Yeah.
Cause it's not really like slime, it's like putty and slime mix. Cause like it's stretching and it's like putty. That's why it breaks very easily.
Yeah.
And then also I like it cause like you can do ASMR with it.
Hold it, 'cause I dropped my slime.
Say thank you. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you guys want some other videos like this. Bye. Thank you for watching.